The trebuchet, which is different than a catapult, was a large counterweighted weapon used in the medieval ages during warfare to break down the walls of castles. Our Wonderville resource, Medieval Levers, helps Tommy and Marie understand simple levers by explaining and demonstrating the mechanics of a trebuchet. In this interactive game, students start by exploring the basics of how trebuchets are built and the forces that are required to make them work. Next up, it's time to build the trebuchet. We start by exploring the different load arms that are available to be placed on the fulcrum. Next, attach a sling to make sure that we can find the right length to reach the castle. Students now get to take what they've learned and pick their favorite projectile to storm the castle. Try these resources and more by signing up for a Wonderville free trial or rent it on WonderPlay today.